Hi entrepreneur! This video will explain how to use a bridge funnel for any industry. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a bridge funnel for your industry. So what is a bridge funnel? Well, a bridge funnel is used to connect two different but related ideas. You can also use it to pre-frame what you want to sell. So the bridge funnel is great when you need to send somebody to a sales page that you do not control. For example, I'm going to use this example by Russell Brunson. Let's say you're selling a product from Amazon as an affiliate. The product puts them into ketosis. Page would be perhaps a story about your number one weight loss trick that helped you lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks. They opt in because obviously they want to lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks. And then on the next page, you bridge them and you have a video that explains that you lost those 30 pounds by getting your body into ketosis. And the best way to get into ketosis is by using X product. And that's when you would send them to your affiliate link and get them to buy the product. Okay, so let's say you're an author, speaker, coach, or consultant. You would use this, let's say, if you want to get people who don't know you to opt in for what they want, and then on the next page, give them a video on how they're going to achieve that through what you offer. E-commerce. So for e-commerce, you would probably want to target people looking to solve a specific problem. So after they opt in, give them a demo of the product and then bridge what they want with how the product will achieve that. And then again, bridge them to a special offer. So for example, I want to achieve, or my specific problem is I can't concentrate. So I want to boost my concentration. I'll give them a demo of, here's me copying a letter, typing it out. And then here's me after on the brain booster, typing out my letter way faster. Affiliate and network marketing. So you're definitely going to want to target people looking for the result that your company or product offers. And then bridge them on how that product or service achieves that result. And then after that, send them to your affiliate page or corporate page. So for example, let's say I want to target network marketers or MLM businesses. So I'm going to send them to a company. It's called Global Moneyline. Global Moneyline, it gives you access to hundreds of thousands of MLM and network marketers. And you can send them messages for free and offer them your offer. So that's how that offer would achieve their results. So you would send them to the opt-in page. Professional services. So use the bridge funnel for cold traffic or people who don't know the industry you're in or the problems that you solve, and then bridge the gap. For example, you're targeting maple syrup growers. They don't even know that this is a problem, but the organization that regulates maple syrup is skimming money off the top. And so you're a maple syrup lawyer and you know how to get them their money back. So that could be how you bridge the gap, right? So through my services, I can help you get a better return on your growing because we're going to stop the skimming, and then send them to an appointment page to book an appointment with you. So brick and mortar businesses. So this one, very similar. You want to bridge the gap between what they want and how you're going to get them there quickly. So just right off the top of my head, it could be just as easy as if you're a pub or a bar. Hey, we've got the coldest beer in town. As soon as you get here, you'll have a cold beer in your hands within 30 seconds. So maybe that's something that your business does really well. And finally, business to business. Again, just similar to the other ones, you want to see what result they want and then bridge the gap to connect what they want with what you offer. So let's say, for example, there's a business that needs fundraising done and you're an event planner. So you bridge the gap between, hey, we put on amazing events. We will get, 100,000 people to your event. That can translate into $100,000 funds raised. So now you know how to use the bridge funnel. If you found this helpful, please like the video. And if you're still not sure, leave a comment below. I'll answer it. And also, please subscribe. And don't forget, click on the description below to get your free bridge funnel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.